housing market has gone through a lot of shifts lately and can be confusing and overwhelming, especially to new home buyers. With fluctuating prices, roller coaster interest rates, and low inventory levels, it's been difficult to know where to begin, but it doesn't have to be that way. Hi, I'm 𝙤𝙤𝙗𝙤𝙗𝙗 with eXp Realty. Unfortunately, when information is not clear, it can present a lot of fear and uncertainty in the market. Buying a home is a big decision and one you should feel very confident about. That is why it's so important to work with a well-seasoned agent to help you separate fact from friction. The right agent can educate you on what's happening in the national, local level on the housing market by presenting accurate housing data. They can help you understand different trends and what's happening locally in the market versus on the national level. Understanding today's market as a buyer will put you in a better position to make an informed decision in the home buying process. Bottom line, if you're planning to enter the housing market and feeling a bit confused on what's going on, it's best to consult with an experienced real estate team. Feel free to contact me and my team today so we can guide you through the important decision of purchasing a home. I'm 𝙤𝙤𝙗𝙗𝙗𝙗 with eXp Realty, your real estate solutions expert.